Hi, I'm Jeff Chin with ESAB. So I just gave you the 7 reasons to choose the Tweco Elite MIG Gun. Now I'd like to introduce you to the rest of the Tweco MIG Gun product family. First up, we have the Tweco Spraymaster. This gun comes in optional 250, 350, and 450 with Tweco Genuine consumables or Velocity, and it has the ergonomic curved handle. Second, we have the Compact Eliminator. It comes in 250 and 450 options. It has the double trigger, but more importantly, it has the swivel gooseneck so that you can get into any joint configuration for comfort that you need. Additionally, the Compact Eliminator comes with the Eliminator cam style locking consumables. Third, we have the Tweco Classic, the MIG gun that helped build North America, Tweco's premium, tried, true, tested MIG gun. It comes in 200, 300, 400, and 500 amp versions, as well as Tweco Genuine consumables and Velocity front end consumables. And finally, we have the Tweco Supra, our straight handle version MIG gun with a paddle trigger. Comes in Tweco Genuine consumables or Velocity front end consumables. Now that I've introduced you to the MIG gun family, I'd like to take this time to also introduce you to the 3 variants of front end consumables that we have available on our Tweco MIG guns. First, I'd like to introduce you to the Tweco Genuine consumables. They are available in regular style or tapered style with threaded or slip-on nozzles. Second, I'd like to introduce you to the Eliminator style contact tip. It is a cam lock style for easy removal if you had a bird's nest and for increased productivity or reduced downtime. And lastly, I'd like to introduce you to Velocity. It offers enhanced performance and improved contact tip life. Tweco Velocity is a drop-in style consumable that has unique cooling ports for improved contact tip life.